So, a research show that 40% of the adults worldwide are just one crisis or one unexpected situation or expense away from falling into a black hole, or you can say some falling into crisis, a never-ending crisis, the real crisis. Why I'm telling you this? Assalamualaikum. My name is Alvina Durrani, and I am digital marketing diploma student at IBA, and this is my final project video. And I will take you through my journey at IBA and how this course has shaped me, because now after 4 months I am in a better position to talk about this. So initially, as my background is of pharmacy, after that I did my MBA in conventional marketing, been associated to pharmaceutical sector and somewhat NGO sector since then. But the infographic that I have shared with you was not just an infographic. That was something that I have lived. It is a lived reality. It was a reality check that I have got like an year ago, maybe. So before that, I would have never thought about giving something a try कि कुछ अपना होना चाहिए, कोई अपनी चीज़ होनी चाहिए. वी 9 to 5 पीपल, वी आर वेरी सेफ इन अ वे कि हमें होता है कि ठीक है मंथ के एंड में सैलरी आ रही है, वो एक सिक्योर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम है, बट दैट इज़ नॉट अ सिक्योर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. एंड दिस इज़ कमिंग फ्रॉम समबडी हु हैज़न लेफ्ट her job. I still am on my job, alhamdulillah, but obviously you have to prepare for your worst day when you are having the better days, and for that you must be equipped. So for that equipped thing, I needed to take the systematic information, because जब आप internet पे जब सब चीज़ें search करते हो, so there are so many things on the internet that inspires you to do things, but there's at the same time a lot of information out there, and you do not know how to use it in your best interest and how to formalize it in order to make things good for you. So for that, I got into this course. I got enrolled into this course, and definitely getting into IB one way or the other was a dream. So that's how I fulfilled my dream and getting into this course. But after 4 months now, today, as I'm making this video, I'm in a better position to tell that was the journey worth it or not. So it was absolutely worth it. So I would take you through that 4 months prior and now after 4 months, what has changed. Number one, I got my own website. I would have never thought of making one. I would have never thought to have my own brainchild, to have our own baby project that I would actually nurture, actually nourish for my future, and would be using it and would call it something of my own. So yeah, I got a website made. My website's name is Alvina Creates Space, and it's basically a digital marketing service website. It is like afterwards, when I would be obviously working on that further in future, I would be making it, because I am from the NGO sector and healthcare sector, so I would be more focused towards that sector, because I can closely identify the gaps in the sector and how digital marketing services can help the charities and the NGO sector around me in order to strengthen their mission and to strengthen their reach or footprint. So I would be working on that. The thing is that what else what else other than the website? I made all of the social media handles for the same website: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, like all of these websites. Never had dreamt of having my own YouTube channel, so now I have one. Because of that, we learned how to run campaigns. We learned how to what are the hits and miss of running a campaign, what are the tricks and the whereabouts, जिससे हम मतलब लाइक कैंपेन तो सब लोग कर रहे हैं ना, लेकिन आप अपनी कैंपेन को हाउ टू स्टैंड आउट इन ऑल ऑफ द क्राउड, वी हैव लर्न दैट. वी हैव लर्न हाउ टू डू द SEO. SEO का नाम सुनते ही बहुत डर लगता था, पता नहीं लगता था. डेफिनेटली इट्स अ होल न्यू साइंस. but we learned it, like basics हमने learn की, fundamentals learn की, उसको implement करना सीखा, उसको practically किया. The best this things reminds me of कि the best thing about this course is it's not theoretical. Whatever is present in the course outline has been made us to do practically. Sir Asif, our course instructor, has been an incredible instructor, and he made sure that we do everything on our own independently in order to learn. We would do mistakes, we would repeat mistakes, we would get to him और वो हमारी मिस्टेक्स ठीक करवाते थे, बट ही मेड श्योर दैट वी शुड परफॉर्म ईच एंड एवरी टास्क ऑन आवर ओन. So that's the best part. That's actually the main key takeaway from this course, the main milestone of this course, that how we have learned. वो जो कहते हैं ना, you learn it the harder way. We actually learned it the harder way, and we are proud of it because now we can. And last but not the least, we should give the credit where it's due. And इस पूरी जर्नी को जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया, the major credit जो due है वो सर आसिफ के लिए है. Because he under his mentorship we just not only learned digital marketing या meta नहीं सीखा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ WordPress नहीं सीखा, SEO नहीं सीखा, but the major skill I would say that we had learned is to the art of believing in yourself. At least मेरे लिए तो ये था, because if I wouldn't have met him, I would have reduced myself to being somebody who can just make the content, who can barely be a content writer and post the content on social media in the same old traditional way, and not doing anything far and beyond that, not testing anything far and beyond that. So I began to see my own potential differently because of him. He has helped us in exploring interest without fear, how important it is to build something of our own without depending upon the traditional 9 to 5 routine. He continuously challenges us to think deeper, find our unique niches, how to evolve into a true full stack marketeer, how to navigate into the digital world. He told us everything. His lectures were not limited to the academic, but he had a genuine desire to see the students acquire something in their life, not just in class. So I feel truly grateful to have learned to have him as our mentor, who doesn't only share knowledge but inspires us in different ways. I wholeheartedly recommend and to anyone who would be watching this video that his mentorship is truly amazing and it's truly life-changing. Thank you so much.